a real small one. I don't know. Oh yeah, real small. See a keeper? Too small. That's a yellow bass. Real big one. Well, you got to put my pole in the water. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, big one. Oh, catfish.
Now we're getting it.
Big old catfish.
He's a keeper.
Go across the boat. That's how it's done. Real faithful. Push button. These big ones feels like a lot bigger. That might be bad. Catfish. Catfish. Keep it. This one. One. Yeah. Might have came out. Nope. Dang, that son of a gun small. Golly, he swallowed that sucker. Spit it all back up. Good boy. And I missed the boat. He's in the boat somewhere. I don't know where he went though. He's under the seat. Son of a gun.
Now that song goes under the seat.
Hey,
Well, that's not this case. It's under the seat.
I have to crawl down there. He's flopping under there. Little small sunfish. I'm going. I'm feeling for it. I feel him. Oh, wait. I got him. That's so good. Got him out that time. Ooh, that's a good one.
Now we're getting it.
That's a good one. Easy.
He wasn't just expecting that one either. He come right along and hit that sucker.
Backflip.
had one of them too.
Oh yeah, the good old snack. Alright guys, so I got the yellow bass and the catfish right now. I just cooked it and stuff, and it looks like really, really good. This is the catfish. I'll just tap it. This is the catfish right here. Looks really good. It's still steaming. Then I think this is some more of the catfish. There's like bits everywhere of little yellow bass. So I'm gonna eat a little bit of the yellow bass real quick. That's pretty good. I've had catfish before. I've never had a yellow bass. But I'm trying catfish. I've had it before, but that catfish, in my opinion, that catfish was better than stuff you get at like stores and stuff. But it's really good. It's all over right now. But I'm about to eat it all. So make sure to like and subscribe. And
That joint was bussin'.